Shouts to everybody with no foundation selectors. Big up to everybody from country. Let me introduce to you the first sound from Jamaica. We say country and make country proud. Welcome, Bodyguard. Fuck of them.
Worldbash. Big up to everybody who come out. You see, we're not afraid to play. If our first, second, third, or fourth, we no matter. So me I say, we name our name, Team Chin. Saying, big up Canada too, you know, because you don't have 4 place. Saying, big up our Clarendon, another place, up. All Jamaica, another place, up. So instead I come here and start it, saying, I'm going to show my respect. Saying, I'm going to start it so. Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil power. Be our light through countless to our great defenders. Grant you wisdom from above. Justice to be ours forever. We love Jamaica. Boom! Jamaica. Boom!
I am Jimmy Cliff.
Yes.
This is to let all know that whatever I did for Bodyguard,
yes,
it is authentic because I am the one and only Jimmy Cliff.
Worldbash.
I can see clearly now your sound is gone.
Hold on, man.
I can see all obstacles in my way.
Yeah, man.
Gone are the tin sound, them gone are we.
Sure.
These are the sounds, name Bodyguard. You better steer
right now.
Does it sound familiar? Bodyguard in the area.
You remember the one?
Keep it up. Last night I hear a song playing and I wonder who it was. But from the sound of the drum and the sound of the beat, it must be Bodyguard in this town. It's a way for soundclash. And I know just how it feels, cause they're playing this and they're playing that, but no other sound can.
Hold on there.
Oh no.
Oh, don't you do that.
Hey. Oh me, oh my, I did me sound bad. Hold on there. Hold on.
We gonna adopt some little sound. Got myself down. Hey. Sound boy, stop playing hide and seek. Come out and take defeat. Only Bodyguard can play so sweet.
Bodyguard a good sound, not a little just come sound.
I sing glory, glory, hallelujah.
The sound they knock out and lean up in a corner.
That's right now.
Original bad boy sound, Bodyguard and bad boy. Hey, we not in play original road boy. Blacks, you know them talking Bodyguard.
Hold on now.
They call me unfancy, confining care.
Yeah.
Party boy sound right, you will then call me unsee, confining care.
Hold on now.
John, you alone, let me tell you something, John.
Come here. He might watch it.
Watch it. Make me murder them club.
Yeah, don't pet nothing. Boy, this a real lose all in button. Bodyguard no powder sound. Bodyguard no pet on sound. Body
tell them say, well if a
pussy want to fight,
tell him
to try.
Hey, not to me to try you like a fake. Hold on, this Bodyguard a make
me work right.
Hey.
And when wing pick up from a fly, that some fly.
We want people to die.
Bodyguard.
Hold on now.
Hey, police and girl enjoy. Dollar screw and buck no crew. Not another worm, we nah go no further. Bodyguard not talk sound fi get murder. Another word, blood run like water. That told me business fi kill you want me pleasure. Informer that see bodyguard them check.
Stand up!
When we are murder people, man, X amount of things, man. A bodyguard run things. Now tata, watch a clip.
You remember that one here?
Come on, your lifelong and you're careless with it. If you test bodyguard, then you're gonna lose it with him. Your lifelong, but you're careless with it. If you test keep it and you know you're gonna lose it.
Man like Johnny, Big Mac, want a sudden impact. Bodyguard pop out them gun.
A bodyguard run out, yeah!
Murder sound for your bodyguard them drop. Bodyguard a run till it up. Gonna mercy, bug like a bull, or them boy like a hog. Look talent to fling the pussy out of them plat.
So you want me know, my people? As me say, I started and I take the first forward them. All Clarendon people.
You want to know like a rule, yeah? Play body for sample, bodyguard out international.
What do I know?
Number one champion sound the world, sound carry the most nice and beautiful girl.
Clarendon!
Clarendon. And there's a Clarendon. And there's a bodyguard come from. Clarendon. And there's a bodyguard come from. Give me now.
So say why?
She said bodyguard, that champion.
Yo! Yo!
Well, the whole of them a come. Bring the bodyguard, them can't throw a dung. Well, the roughest thing under the sun.
Ready again! Bodyguard! Bring ding bodyguard!
Bring ding bodyguard.
Play body in my sample, bodyguard. Outer, into, outer, into, outer, nice enough.
Hold on there! Because
Girl, you a girl and you no big go man yet. Girl, you a girl and you no big go.
Welcome on the live card.
hold on now! Bad man, we don't do that! Hold on now! Hey!
Bodyguard a veteran from 19 how long and the come up walk on this bad man.
Every now!
That Johnny your mum
Foundation! Hold on now!
Mercy. Bodyguard want a fatal shot.
Hold on now!
We gonna got no compass.
Up yes sir! Boy, say they were bad man, boy!
Me and Swensons couldn't we they walk and pitch. Boy, we pop out, we gun faster than all you quit.
Your blood run like tricks. Well, after all, bodyguard, somebody go come. Bodyguard say, hey, kill or be killed. You say they token till bodyguard don't pop out. Your blood overspill. Kill the big man like Coney. Say they token till bodyguard gonna murder you know. With mercy. Bodyguard we gonna take your interview.
Hold on now! Johnny, you know go!
So you.
You're not there!
We kill off a crew.
Bodyguard gonna so you we gonna take interview. You're dead from you this is shoes less I'm the crew. Not so you we gonna
Bodyguard, big up yourself. All of the people them now rebel
The one
tonight.
and
Rebel.
Canada. Respect
Everybody
to the final
represent
two.
for your place where you come from. Represent where they want live at Jamaica and live at Canada. Represent you come from the Caribbean. Black man, white man. Represent Canada people. Yes, I'm talking to you. Respect Jane and Finch and the Brampton Crow. Eglinton massive, me say respect Joe. Melbourne massive, yes, I'm talking to you. Western Road, you know me talking to you. Mississauga, tell me what you can do. Hamilton crew and the London crew. Roll up on no one who shout out the door. Kitchenton, Ottawa, Montreal too. Put up on no one and represent for your crew. Big up Scarborough, yes, me talking to you. Scarborough people, bodyguard love you. Big up Clarendon and Manchester crew. Big up Ian's crew and Cannon Heights crew. Big up Farm crew and the Maypen crew. Big up Skendon, we not left him for show. Buck and a Lionel Town, what you can do.
Yo, me da Audi.
Yeah.
Canada, until we meet again.
Round of applause for Bodyguard!
The one, the only, black reaction! Yo!
I'm just make them know, say. True, you know the way they go. You can tell by the way they flow, and from the sea they sow, it grows. Then you will know. Then you will know. So me tell them, say, well, this a black reaction time. Long time Babylon want treat them like swine. Then look at your dumb, look at your dumb, look at your blind. All the wrong tree me all got catch them a climb. Can't tell no man them me not can keep buying. So me sit now search for your fine. Search for your fine for defile mankind. Rasclat, it not go happen this time. No one your name.
East. Trying to make some blood clot nice, cause you're glad for the reaction for that failure. All who come from Scarborough, put your name right now. Scarborough, make some noise. Western Road, Eglinton, Jordan Beach, Scarborough, Rexdale, Malton, Mississauga. I want to big up one parish in a few place. Yo, Super K, them say anthem party, don't they? Make we start to grim. Listen, make it take them back to world clash days. Drop it.
Oh, sun in the valley. Yo, yo, black reaction.
Try to live up in ya. Can't tell you.
Sun in the valley.
Black
reaction. Rather they on a hillside. When nobody.
Why you come and Canada do this?
Sound for time, and then going on time down there. And I don't chant about something on sound boy and sound for day. Black reaction on time down there.
Put up the gun.
Black reaction, give them a clip full. Out of the matic, clap them like a rifle. Mix with that shot here, some sound boy. Love the watch it, chat it, like a beat. We don't know the massive black reaction, the original. No common copy. Can't so common sound with sound clapping.
When I say shoot back here, you say shoot. Shoot back here. Shoot back here. Shoot back here.
Whoa, black reaction.
Yo, Papa, so we tell them. Reaction and black car million make them do.
Any sound test, black reaction. Them jump and I go get slew.
Worldbash. Who that Jamie? Young can I place? Big up yourself, you know. I'm a make it put your name here. Toronto Massive put your name here. Scarborough put your name here. Them say some super here. Shoot them, brother.
Undeniable that we should play together.
Shoot them.
So incredible how you used to say you'd die never.
Remember.
How would you feel if you wake up one morning and saw black reaction?
Ricky!
When we know
Super K Black Dance the Black Club. Don't forget. Canada, we have some here, we have some.
Anyway, well then, black reaction with big gun is winning. From a pussy world, this we be shot him at this. That a mercy. Well, reaction, but all the while. Time to make sure he's a youth.
We as Canadian team, we united. But I see world team over there, so let me tell you.
Why that's a unity? But black reaction now, powder nobody.
Listen good, no man.
UNIT, why that's a unity?
Canada rise up the town of Caesar.
I'm an sing say, shut a go lick and skull a go pour. Big Mac 11 and the voice of reaction. Say, team and your son gone down, gone down.
A reaction team, everybody turn up a light on a cell phone. Remember good number.
Well, black reaction and back from nothing. Boy, if a clash on the one just talk. When it is the program, I make we get pissed off. We're gonna kill them now.
Anthem you want, anthem your blood clot, yeah. Tasha Roses, one of them enough.
We're gonna kill them now.
One road up, you know, we're gonna get him in back shut out. 7-9.
King Selassie, I live at time.
All the way the fireman, turn up a lighter. We have a plan.
Your kingdom is judgment.
Worldbash. All of the reaction I go and live up.
Yo, black reaction, boo. Tell them no fuck round the gangsta sound. One thing no sweet like no damn can.
We are the man. Beat them.
Sound and no care we no. Matic plug in 45 chain here we no.
Listen.
Black reaction, rock. Black reaction on the summer rock, and I don't stop when you hear that. Black reaction, rock.
Yo, Chin. At downtown we are killing from. Listen.
From Regent Park, straight back to Bleecker Street, Oakland, Hood and Van. Everything is concrete, man, from Eglinton. Them no prolong. Western Road, bad man, them have to stand strong. Jane and Vince Scarborough to Western. Kipling and Steel, everything is everything. Up here, big long gun, Mr. Saga Man Sling.
From Western to Road there.
Who tell them, bad boy, we don't defend them. I want to send a respect to Village Man. Up in London, who do respect solid. Black reaction and this
one in Canada.
Black reaction.
Black reaction, Rocco.
Black reaction on its own. We keep the.
Yeah. Oh, it's on one more. I hit that. Ain't coming know the forward. Them a drone you right now, Chin. Well, I go and talk fast.
You guys are trying to cheat. One song.
Yo, on my team sound. Oh, Black reaction sound. Oh, them sound. Yo, Canada. Me like it.
Come on stage. The sound system representing Brooklyn. Team Chin. LP International.
Right, that's it, man. Toronto, first thing, I want to give yourself a round of applause. Because at the first, I say 10 of the world's greatest sound on one stage. Toronto, uno do this. So big up on yourself. So we can't come here tonight and play like a blood clot idiot. We have to play some song like this.
This is Bitty McLean alongside LP International Sound. Man like Puma, Killer D, what am I say? LP is the real sound. LP is the real sound. Oh.
Level! All who proud of where you come from, we have the hand up in the ear. We have the hand up in the ear, I'm saying, turn it up.
LP sound. I see the special.
Hold on, man, hold on.
Only you alone can play this war.
We have to play some of them songs.
We call special.
What we have to talk about?
Good things come to those who wait. To hear LP was worth the wait. And I'd give anything and everything to kill that sound. Just
what
this
time?
one time. I'd like to find what I've been
don't
dreaming
follow the forward them what you see a while ago.
But I could
we have to take what time and do our thing.
But that wouldn't be enough. And I'd give anything to kill that sound.
Toronto!
Hey, I hear me. LP man, pan him case again. Sanchez D speaking man saying. What's this?
All original gangsta, put the hand in the ear, some of them. Who wants the hand in the ear? Put them in the ear. Toronto!
Sound, I wanna tell you something. For real, it's no skin teeth.
Hold on, man, motherfucker, hold on.
From your outside appearance, you're looking nice, but I wanna know within. Are you planning to settle down?
Any ganja man in there? Can I see some ganja and go up in the ear right now?
Don't be familiar. They told the country road, look how they fight it sense in me. You're making way for
ganja man!
She don't got the only for someone.
From the wise of Babylon. Judgment. Me sang. Well, chant, but down side the man.
Hold on. Black reaction, big up for yourself. Toronto people, big up. But we bad anywhere we go.
Boy think them bad like a steel plate, line up them chest. Well, a LP, a boy fit test. Come this murderer when I've no mercy, we must not.
Bless up all, GM, bless up yourself. You know, me I deal with. Enough respect to all the people that move forward out tonight. You know, me I say it's an anthem dance. And we are say we are collect some forward.
Homer.
When the road boy them,
LP. The badness upgrade long time. I'm here with jeans that carry the Glock fine.
Hold on, man.
He tell them, see I'm blind, me I wear my big gun gold. Boom, boom. Everyone my gun there. Me bring them at
Father G, no way. Everybody's sticking up. Yo, LP International.
What you wanna?
Them can't style the book out.
Why am I rich?
Brand new black with it. 10 cent clip of wish. Someone this how.
I feel like them scary. Them not scary. See me, sir. LP, danger. I want to do them. Them war we dead, but we not dead.
Them war we dead.
See me, sir. Yo. Listen it. LP. Bow, 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 bow.
With the blood clot, tell you.
Breaking transmission right now.
Rhyme up, rhyme up down the street. Rhyme up down the street.
Rhyme up TV. Rhyme up TV.
Rhyme up them time Buckman, Shambhala.
Rhyme up, you know everything good. You want to rhyme up in the street. You know what the thing. Anything after that, rhyme up.
TV. Yeah. Subscribe to him YouTube channel. Yeah. It well fast. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to Rhyme Up. Subscribe now, share, like. Yeah. You will know it go. Rhyme Up in the street.
TV I go around the whole street. Believe not. Rhyme Up TV. Remember cool kid tell me.
Oh no man, one Rhyme Up man. Tell them so them time up. You know it go outside. No weakness, energy. Shambhala.